Once upon a time, there was an elephant. His name was Chotu. Chotu used to live in a forest with many other animals like monkey, deer, bear, many animals. But nobody wants to be Chotu's friend. Chotu is sad. Why? No. Because he has no friends. He tells himself, I want to play, but I have no friends. I need a friend. Then he sees a monkey on the tree. He goes near a monkey and asks monkey, will you be my friend? Please do. Monkey jokes and tell, no, Mr. Fatty, big and fat animal. You cannot play my. If you want to be like me, I will not be your friend. Go away. Chotu is sad. Then he goes near a park and sees a rabbit. He goes near a rabbit and tells, Rabbit, will you be my friend? Please, Rabbit, you are such a cute white furry rabbit. Please be my friend. Rabbit looks at Chotu and mutters and tells, and tells, you are such a big and closest animal. You cannot play my burrow. I will not be your friend. Chotu is unhappy. He goes away. Then he goes near a pond and sees a frog and tells, Froggy, will you be my friend? Please, dear Froggy. Froggy looks at Chotu and tells, no, you are such a big and heavy animal. You cannot live in a water like me. I will not be your friend. Go away. Chotu is sad. Go away. Next day, he saw all the animals running away in the jungle. He goes near an animal and tells, where am I going? What happened? I must touch. A tiger is chasing us. Run, hide quickly. He will kill us. Few minutes later, Chotu sees tigers coming. And one goes, wow! And tells, get out from here, the bad animal. Chotu is not scared. He walks near the tiger and tells, leave the animals alone in the jungle and give him one kick. Tiger is scared. He runs away. Put. Chotu is happy. Slowly, all the animals come back and tell, thank you, Chotu. Thank you, Chotu. Will you be my friend? Chotu says yes. Because friend in need is a friend indeed. I love you, Chotu. Thank you.